Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and welcome back to my channel. Today is another lesson. We have already learnt the days of the week. So, can you guess what we're going to do today? Yes, that's right. We are going to do the months of the year. साल के महीनों के नाम. Challenging. शुरू करते हैं आज का सबक. Let's begin today's sabak.
Months of the year. साल के महीनों के नाम. January, January, January. February, February, February. March, March, March. April, April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August, August. September, September, September. October, October, October. November, November, November. December, December. Well done! Now let's practice one more time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. 12 months, 12 महीने, 1 year, एक साल. 12 means 12, months mean महीने. 1 means एक, year means साल. There are 12 months in 1 year. एक साल में 12 महीने होते हैं. एक साल में 12 महीने होते हैं.
Now you know your months of the year. Keep on practicing and don't give up. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Oh yes, now it's joke time. Why did the boy throw butter out of the window? Because he wanted to see a butterfly. Allah Hafiz, bye.